is install app, but not you have to
This is the
open
installer, it's not the application.
Oh. Okay, here, just click file and you open. Where is it?
this sample.
Okay. Here you will see BMB, HQD and HQF and DAD, all kinds. At this variant will work only on HQD. So this HQD and HQF file you cannot open in normal window, right? You can open BMB, this is bigger. So to work HQD only. So just when you click, you will see the figure here. I think this is the match sample, right? Not good. This is first sample. You don't have quantum dot.
Yeah.
What can I do? I want to see the sample with quantum dots.
What? Me.
Okay, and this ruler and this ruler show you your sample area, right? So this sample is 3 into 3 micrometer. Not that one, what is it? Okay, whatever. And that is color schema. Color schema of your sample. The color schema here. Color schema should start from 0, right? So we can correct it. Just near here, right click, white. White and what happened? Okay, here I will show here also. Here you can select what you want. Now I think we are grayscale, this one. But normally we use gold. More. Yeah, it's grayscale. So gold. Okay. Now does it look like your sample from the AFM, right? So normally we use gold scale. I cannot change it. No. Okay.
Or left click, can?
No.
Change to what?
Yeah. Not outside, inside. Fix 0. So it starts from 0. Alright, this is your color scale. Color scale means I will show how. I can draw a line. A stretch profile allow arbitrary lines. This one. Click. Okay. It will show you the graph. Because X, Y means you should see like this is your sample. And when you grow quantum dot here, this is suffix. Okay. And this is we call line profile. You will get the line profile. So here, see, I will draw line from, see, before the part. That is your surface. Surface is not flat at all.
From
Right.
this to this.
Yeah, from this to this. Or clear. And I will draw a new line like this. So, and you can move this line. So that's why we need the software. In here, the surface look flat, right? Only in some area there is a plaster. But in reality, I think this side is higher, right? And this side is lower. So it means when we are scanning AFM, maybe your sample it's a little inclined. So not really like this, because we have the indium glue at the back side of the sample. We try to remove as clean as possible, but maybe not really clean. Maybe some residue left at the back side. So when you put the sample, maybe the sample maybe a little inclined like this. So happen like this. But you can read the values here. This is the real data. So micrometer equal to micrometer. Maybe the lowest is about 0.19 to 0.29. So 0.009 means about 90 nanometer. 90 nanometer.
Highest.
90 nanometer. Okay, 90 nanometer is much. Okay, and actually, that is, I just want to show you. You see, this is dark area, right? So that is, according to the color schema, the darkest color is the lowest from 0. It's almost 0, but not really 0, but almost 0, right? So that is, this show you your surface line profile. Actually, if you want to show line profile, you should not draw like this. We draw like this. We draw cross like this. But however you draw, not much. I think this one, maybe I remove this one. Okay, by the way, I will start again. I start from here. Okay, that the cup go like this, right? This is the lowest, this one. Okay, that is for example. And another thing is 3D. This patient is different from you. No. I don't see three. Wait. Oh,
3D view, but
right.
cannot.
Why? That is trial version.
I don't.
program free
It's a free program.
Yeah. Why I cannot see? Cool. You don't have to. No. That's right. So I will move to another. Desktop. Also here, you see, your sample also. What can we do this? Wait. And we cannot see clearly the quantum dot, right? So go to the data process level, medium level. It's better. Now we can okay, so we want to measure the quantum dot size, that we can measure length, width, and height. Okay, so if you start, you should sit in one place and until finish You should not move. You have to I'm trying to say measure every quantum dot as much as you can. So it takes time, at least 3 hours.
ตัวมากกว่า3 ที่
And you have to open the Excel or Origin, whatever, and you have to put the length, width, and height every quantum dot, and how many quantum dots. I already count this one. Is over around 163, around something like that. So maybe you should count at least 100 quantum dots from here, and you have to find the average length, average width, and average height, and you have to plot the histogram. So at first you have to finish it. Okay, this two the same, this one. Okay, and okay, from here, you see. So I'm seeing this. Okay. So this is the first. Then apply. So it will show you another box. And here, measure distance. Click. So I want to measure the length of the quantum dots here. So you should not be wrong. If you click here and click here, your result will show in minus. So always be sure, start from here, this side first, and then another click. Maybe you have to decide which should be the base of the quantum dot. Maybe around here. Okay, so this is the length, right? So you can read length 156.4 nanometer. This is the length, and you have to take note length. So it will show only you the angle and height, but these are you don't need to, because you didn't do anything. So these are wrong data. So only you have to count length. And if you want to know height, again this line, right side. If you move this side, it will show you minus. Okay, that's it. You see, minus. So I always use the right side line. Shift, middle, and the height 11.7. So you will get height. Just only 2. And the length will change also, because the length reads between the distance between 2 lines. So you should go step by step first. I will show you again. Apply again, and click, and choose the base of the quantum dot. One click OK, and read length, and put the right line into the middle, and height. So if you repeat and repeat, the values can change, but not much. Just only nanometer, a few nanometer. Okay. So, and after you finish, you have to close first. This one we need, because if you draw the line, if your line in the figure, this graph already appear here. So this is length and height you finish. So width, right? So here, just move your cursor. It will show you this circle box. Okay. So this line is to this, and the same apply. Okay, length. It will show right only length 84.9. This is width. And let's check the height same or not. In the middle only 9. But here 10.22.
What will choose next?
That's why I always use like I want to draw somewhere. Can I draw here?
Yes.
Maybe you are gonna not like this. I cannot. Let's see, this is 3D quantum dot. Okay. So your quantum dot maybe like this. So when you draw the line profile for this side, you don't see this, right? But when you draw line profile like this, you see this. So normally I always choose the height because we will get two number of height, right? Here and the previous one. So I choose the first one. When I measure this and I choose the height here. This is the first. We don't need to decide like this here or here. So, and for me, easiest way is I take the largest values.
That's it.
So however, after that we will do averaging, so not much different. And we also do the kilogram. So, and you have to count one by one like this. So about 100 quantum dots. And so for me, but you need to remember which quantum dot already finished. I knew that after you going like this and you were confused. I already finished this. How about this? You were confused.
You have a technique?
The easier way is print out.
Can mark.
Print out and mark.
On. Okay.
Print out and mark. And counting also. Print out. Large. Blue and this is the easiest.
First not have to do this, right?
Hmm?
First not have to do this, right?
Yeah.
We have only surface.
Yeah. But you can show the AFM and something like if you want to show in 3D, okay. But here it's shading, not 3D, not shading. What? If I'm doing something here.